Android channel again here for you to increase your YouTube views, subscribes and likes, and hit that bell icon for more videos like that. So if you want to do SEO on your own YouTube channel, you have to do internal linking. What? Is it a website? No, but it is a channel needs as same as a website linking internal. So how to do that? You have to add end screen. What is end screen? End screen like this. At the end of the video, you can see to subscribe and to YouTube videos on your own channel. So the viewer will maintain on your YouTube channel. So to do that, you have to upload a video the first way, okay? Upload a video. While uploading, for example, I'm going to check this video and select it, and you have to do your YouTube's use for your specific video, titles, thumbnail, all of these stuffs. And if you want to monetize this video or not, just select what you would like to, and then here you can find add an end screen. This is the internal link. This will maintain your viewers on your channel for lots of time or for most of time, and you gain lots of money. So all you need to do, you have to add end screen at the end of your video. How? Just click on add, and you just check or select the layout you want to appear at the end of your video. For example, this is that I want to a subscribe button and a video, so I can resize the duration and check the position of the subscribe button or a video. And you can also click on the video and you can add manually some elements, for example another playlist or another video, and you can select if you want this link of this video, a recent video, or this video should be most viewed video, or you want to select a specific video on your own YouTube channel. It's up to you, okay? And so once you end up by doing this, you can add or check the position of these links or videos, and once you make sure from all of these stuffs, you can also delete them if you don't want these kind of links, okay? It's up to you, but it is so important to increase your views on your YouTube channel. For example, in my case, I want to add a playlist at the end of my video. So this is the playlist I want to add it at the end of my video, and I can check the duration of this video. I have to put it at the end of my screen or at the end of my video. So like this is so normal, so good. I'm going to save it, and now everything is done. Just click on save, and you can edit it if you want to. Now we finished this method, but what if you uploaded already video? Uploaded videos, how can I add end screen for uploaded videos? So all you need to do, just select a video that you want to add end screen from on it by going to content and then YouTube Studio content, and then select the video, and here you can reach out to the end screen easily by clicking here. Click on pencil icon, and as same as we did at the previous method or at the beginning of the video, this video, as same as you can do it in this uploaded video. Just click on layout, check the layout I did for this video already. Now you can add it manually by just checking or selecting link of videos, popular videos or recent videos, or check or select a specific video and replace them, pick a position for them on your video, and just like that, and you can save them or delete them as we talked about it. And also, if you don't find the end screen for your uploaded videos here, you can find it from editor. Click on that end screen, you can edit it and you can add it. It's up to you. You can increase your views on this YouTube channel only by doing this method. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.